Check it out. Ravi Ross, Citation boss. Freeze near to well.
You know throw the book at them is just an expression, right?
I'm going to prove to Gladys that I have what it takes to be a counselor, even if I do not meet the height requirement.
10-4. I'll have the kids make you a badge in arts and crafts.
Oh, and maybe some lifts for your shoes.
Jorge! As your CIT, I must insist you make your bed.
I'm just gonna mess it up again. It's the circle of filth.
According to the rules, all campers must make their beds in the morning.
Maybe I did make it. And a raccoon snuck in and messed it up. After all, they are nature's troublemakers.
You also blame the raccoons for clogging the toilet.
Well, they are nature's...
Enough! I am going to need you to cooperate, sir. Please make your bed.
Come on. Let me slide on this one, bunk buddy.
You have given me no choice but to get... Ouchie's paper cut!